Okay, here's my next piece. It's a piece of, I think, live oak. I've had it a really long time sitting in the garage, and when I say really long time, over a year. I'm going to put a woodworm screw here. I've got this bored out. I think it's good enough. I may have to knock a little bit off here to fit my 4-jaw chuck, but otherwise it looks like it'll work. So, and I tried to get it where this branch was up near the top, and this are up near the top. So this will be the top. Obviously that'll be the bottom. We'll see what we get. Okay, I got a piece of oak here that has some nice figure on this side, probably inside. I cut this off, not very flat, but I don't know exactly what I'm making, but I'm going to round off the ends, get this planer, then I'll probably curve it up. So we'll see. But in any case, it looks like a nice piece of wood. We'll see how well the bark stays on. There's some significant gaps here and here. So I may not keep the bark, but that'll be okay. Okay, I've turned it around. You can see I've curved off this edge, sanded it to 320, and this is to 180 out here. All this is 180. So I've turned it around now, so my intent is to hollow, and I want to leave this and this on here, so that implies that I'm going to make a diameter out to about there maybe. So it'll be a pretty beefy bowl. It'll be pretty solid. But I don't want to break this and this off, so I'll go until this is held on reasonably well, and I may stake it with some thick super glue if it wants to come loose. There's a gap in here I can fill that would work out okay. So in any case, I think it's ready for me to get going on it. Okay, I've got this gap between this branch and this branch, and it was big enough that I put coffee grounds and super glue in it. My thoughts are the bowl isn't, I can go a lot deeper, but I can't go much bigger in diameter. But what I might do, and I'm seriously considering it, is just cutting the outside smaller, so that this may be, an inch thick instead of 2 inches thick. Because one of the features I wanted to save, I wasn't able to save. There was a branch coming out at this angle, but it was just too close to the middle. It was going to require such a small bowl and have this big block around it, so I decided to get rid of that. So now I think I can can't go bigger, I don't think, but I can go smaller here and here and here. Bring this in so that this is an inch or something. I'll think about it, because I don't think there's an advantage of taking the inside out farther. That'll mean I lose this side wall. So if I come in from the outside, I'll just lose the ends of these two ends. Now, I wouldn't want to go so far as to lose this guy, so I might come in 3/4 to an inch. But that means I have to resand all this. It'll be smaller. I got to be careful that I don't make the bottom wrong there, because I've committed on what the bottom looks like. Okay. Okay, I've got this piece of live oak, I believe, that turned out as a nice bowl. Left a lot of natural edge on it, a little bit of live edge right there, you can see it. That branch was dead, had been chopped off, and you can see how it started to turn dark brown or black, and the included bark down there at the bottom of it is interesting. It joined, though it's plenty sturdy. I thought when I first started it was going to come off, but it looks good. I used a tried and true finish on here, and it's pretty nice. I like it a lot. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.